Look at this, everybody. Look who's sitting up. Are you happy today? Huh? Are you happy? Look at that.
Wow.
That is incredible. And look, she reacts when I touch her toes now. Oh, now she's not going to look. Hey, I got your toes.
Good morning. Say good morning.
Look at
to
that,
everybody.
guys. That's so amazing. She's going to be 4 months old here pretty soon. Look at that.
That's just amazing.
Things are changing fast. She's really, really changing. She's reacting. When I was tickling her toes earlier and she was looking at it. Before she would just like stare at the ceiling.
Oh.
Nope.
She can
Losing
stun
it.
herself.
I know. Wow, it's almost like overnight.
Michelle, good morning.
Well, there she is. She'll be 4 months here soon.
Oh.
Just woke up. How you doing, huh? So much more alert. Paying attention to things, aren't you? Yeah. Well, guys, I think I'll just make this a special video just for you. Just for Michelle. Updates today. Sitting up on her own. Hey,
Hi
you're sitting
to
up.
everybody. Michelle, say hi to everybody.
Poor thing, we're both calling her. Michelle, over here, over here, over here. You want to go fishing? Michelle, you ready to go fishing? Get walking and we'll get you a fishing pole, okay? Melanie can come if she wants. Typical. Cats and babies. Yeah, you know you're not dumb, are you? You know I'm recording you. My laugh scared you? She was playing with the toys, and then I turned on the camera, and she's totally distracted. Well, at least she's a happy kid. Hey, Michelle. Me. Hey. Michelle, are you a happy baby? Yeah. From yesterday to today, I don't know what's going on, but all of a sudden she's more aware of everything. She's grabbing toys, she's manipulating things with her hand, and now you're not going to do it when I'm looking, are you? Huh? Show the people you can play with the toy. No, not on camera. Of course not. Ah, you think that's funny. Okay.